going to kill.
Yango pe mokwalelo
That's why also in the day of
tokolobela
today,
sujet oyo ezali le meurtre.
we are going to talk about the subject that is meurtre,
Koboma.
killing.
Le meurtre c'est quoi d'abord?
Meurtre is what first?
Parce que va répéter yango tina mokanda Exode.
They restarted it again in
Bible
Exodus.
etalisi biso suki ya koboma te.
The Bible is telling us don't kill.
Bien aimé, le meurtre
Beloved,
c'est un
meurtre,
acte qui porte atteinte
it's an action that used to take
à la vie de quelqu'un.
for the life of a person,
Kobimisa makila ya moto,
to put out the blood of a
verser
person,
le sang d'une personne.
to put out the blood of a
On a
person.
autre terme en français, on bien effiction.
Of another thing, we are
Car
calling
pour
it
verser.
fiction,
Ya.
just to pour out
Donc
the blood,
koboma.
to kill.
Effet ya kotangisa makila ya moto.
Effect of giving out the blood
Tope
of
ko
people,
éliminer.
or eliminating,
Tope ko effacer.
or erasing,
Nyonso ezaka na kati ya koboma.
all that are just in killing.
C'est ainsi que bien aimé,
That's why,
faut
beloved,
comprendre koboma.
we're going to
To
understand killing,
tangisa makila mutu.
or to put out the blood
Tope
of
ko
a person,
effacer mutu.
or to erase
Na
the
ba
person
plusieurs manières.
with many ways.
Pour eux, c'est une définition de meurtre.
Because this is just the definition of murder.
Koboma koma mutu na nzela ya spiritualité pe.
Killing a person can happen also spiritually.
On peut tuer, tope koboma mutu na nzela ya molimo.
They can kill also a person through spiritual.
Tu peux aussi tuer un homme
You can also kill a
dans
person
l'aspect physique.
in a physical
Tu
aspect.
peux aussi tuer un homme
You can also kill a person
moralement.
morally.
Tu peux aussi tuer
You can also
dans
kill
nzela psychologique.
in a psychological way.
Tu peux aussi tuer
You can also kill
na kati ya intelligence.
inside cleverness,
Donc dans l'intellectualité plutôt.
in intellectuality.
Donc au riz oboma pe mutu na nzela biloko wana nyonso.
So you can kill a person through all that.
Koboma en un mot en définition,
Killing in one word in the
c'est l'effet de luminer
it's the effect of
ou
eliminating
de tuer quelqu'un.
or killing a person.
Oh, écoute, c'est vraiment très clair donc à comprendre.
This teaching used to be very clear.
Koboma ezali effet ya ko effacer mutu.
Killing is the effect of
Ko
removing
éliminer
people
mutu.
to remove a
Bien
person.
mais tozaka na kati ya définition.
Beloved, we are still in
Tu
definition.
okoboma mutu na nzela ya molimo,
You can kill a person
na
through
nzela ya
spiritual,
physique.
through physics,
Tona okobebisa moral ya mutu pe.
or you can destroy the moral
Oyebi
of
ko
a person.
détruire psychologie ya mutu.
You can also destroy his psychology.
Oyebi ko bebisa moto na nzela ya ba réflexion na nzela ya makanisi.
You can also destroy a person in the way of
Na ko
thinking.
expliquer ba point là sont très bien.
I will explain all those points nicely. Just
D'abord, il faut comprendre d'abord le sort des maîtres.
we have first to understand the way the numbers of men.
Le lengen donc différence ya koboma. Ya.
Okay, different way of killing.
Donc le kola ba manière, ba sorte ya koboma ya
Like
mwana.
many way of killing.
Donc toi ba nenga nini mutu to be koboma esale makana ba forme ndenge nini.
How to know how does killing take place?
D'abord ce
All
que
the
sengyo koma,
for if it's asking for you to
il
rise,
faut koma mutu pe akoki koboma na nzela ya colère.
you can say a person can kill through anger.
O mutu pa koboma mutu na nzela ya kanda.
A person can kill also through anger.
Na nzela pe ya maloba.
In a way also of talking.
Parce que la parole a des pouvoirs.
Because words have powers.
Okoki pe koboma mutu na nzela ba injure.
You can also kill a person through insult.
Je vais vraiment l'expliquer par la grâce de Dieu.
I really want to explain it.
Tu peux tuer un homme par
You can kill a person
na colère comment?
by anger.
Oyina mutu
You
olimbisaka
hate a
ete.
person, you don't forgive him.
Oyina mutu donc
You hate
motema
a
libanga
person, you became with a rock
sans
heart,
pitié.
without pity.
Tu peux aussi tuer une personne par des paroles.
You can also kill a person through
Prenons
words.
les cas.
Let us take for
Ça se passe
example.
souvent chez les femmes.
It used to happen mainly.
Au moment n'a pas
in
c'est parce
girls.
que ceux qui va discuter muke.
You see women
Ceux qui
they
ke
talk
baza
a
ba
lot of it.
voisin to pe ba mbanda.
If they are neighbor or if they are sharing the
Okomona
same
ke
boyfriend,
abandi ko beta moningani ba parole moko donc choka.
you see you start shocking the
So
friend.
tu as dit que camarade ne wana na défaut moko na nzoto.
Maybe he knows that is what his friend is having a disability in the
Asa
body,
tanto pe na problème moko ya santé.
or maybe he's having a health problem.
Sikolo kula baza na problème bango mibale bazo kana te.
Since they are in a problem,
lolenge nini akokotela mpona boma vie ya mutu wana?
How did he going to get inside so that
Akoki koboma vie ya moto wana maloba oyo azobimisa.
he can destroy the life of that person with the way that he's giving out.
Mwa mutu alekali ataki na liputa na ye.
You see a person pass, he was wearing those clothes of
Ntango amoni aleka na liputa na ye wana.
when he just passed
Siko
there.
yoka ye.
Listen,
Batala batu balataka batanga pe yo.
they must look at people who used to wear, they must look at also you.
Atangi ne kombo na iti.
He didn't mention the
Mais la
name,
personne oyo alekani wana,
but the person who passed
il
there
sent que il comprend que directement moto oyo s'adresser na ngai.
is feeling that this person talked to me.
Donc azwi choc na kati ya motema.
He feel the shock.
Musu akoza pe na prenons le cas tantôt pe azali na aza na défaut moko na nzoto.
And then you can see he's having a disability in the body
Par rapport ya réalité moko ekomaki.
according to a reality that
Siko
happened.
moninga akomi kobete lokola masa, donc akomi kobete na nsima.
The friend started shooting him behind.
Siko azoloba biloko par rapport ya défaut au camarade na
He's
sana.
saying things according to the disability that the friend has.
Ça fait mal au cœur,
It
aux
gives
hommes.
pain in the heart. You are killing a person.
Mais il faut pas faire des choses pareilles.
Beloved, don't do such things.
Étant que les chrétiens,
Because you are a
mutu
Christian.
mususu pe aza fort na ba injure.
Another person is very strong in his
Les
south.
les injures aussi, eza pe sorti ya koboma mutu.
Insult is also a way of killing a person.
Prenons le cas mutu aza ne maele, donc mutu aza prétend aza maele te. Nano ba vraiment bon.
Yeah, let's say that a person is not clever.
Oyebi yango.
You know it.
Mais ozo finga ye.
But you're insulting him.
Alongwa na zoba moko bekize.
I get out there crazy.
Donc ça fait mal au cœur.
So it used to pain
Mutu
in the
mususu
heart.
aza na manière, aza na makolo te pona kotambola. Va dio soti koka.
Another person is not having the legs to walk.
Yo moni mutu abongo.
You see such people,
Obandi koseke so obandi kofinga ye.
you start insulting him, you start laughing at him.
Ta makolo yango ndenge ezali.
Check the way the legs are.
Ta ndenge azali.
Check the way he
Bien
is.
aimé, ce n'est pas bien, ce sont de meurtres oh mutu azo commettre.
Beloved, it's not good. It's a murder that people are committing.
Parce que oyebi koboma ya maloba to koboma ya kofinga lekini ete embeli oyo.
Because killing of words is more than even killing with
Parce
the
que tu es en
knife.
train de blesser la personne sans le savoir.
Because you are cutting down the heart of the person without
Bien aimé dans le
knowing.
Seigneur.
Beloved in Lord.
Et tu peux aussi tuer.
And you can also kill.
Tu peux aussi tuer.
You can also kill.
Je m'excuse.
Sorry.
Tu peux aussi tuer.
You can also kill
Na nzela ba penser.
in a way of thinking.
Tu peux aussi tuer.
You can also kill
Na nzela ba penser.
in a way of thinking.
Comment na nzela ba penser?
How in the way of thinking?
Muninga bo discuter na ye.
A person you talk with,
Oza na problème na ye.
you have a problem
Mais
with him,
omoni ndeko wana
but you see that person,
akomi kozwila camarade ne makanisi ya
he
mabe.
start taking bad feeling about his
Ça peut
friends.
aussi causer
It can also cause,
que omona ke entre bango mibale
it can cause you to see between them
ke ata bazovanda bazosolola
that even though they are living their city,
ozomona ke moko aza na esengo te.
you are seeing that one is not
Pourquoi
there.
dans ses pensées aza na baprojet mabe mpo na moninga wana?
Why? Because inside his thoughts, he's having
Azosekisa yo na motema
bad
lingi yo te.
thinking. He's laughing with you, but he don't
Oui.
love you in the heart.
Wana kuta eza bametre moko donc ezalaka makasi comme ezalaka trop mingi surtout
Those
dans la vie actuelle.
Those are very difficult matters that used to
Donc
happen
mutu
in
ayina yo na
real
kati ya
life.
motema lingi yo te.
A person hates you in his heart,
ayebisa ko yango te.
but he never told
Siko
you.
maître pe bapense elataka nzoto un jour.
Also, matter of thinking is also to wear clothes one day.
Bien aimé dans le Seigneur,
Beloved Lord,
nous allons lire dans le livre de Matthieu.
we are going to read in the book of Matthew,
Matthieu, le chapitre
Matthew
chapitre 5.
chapter 5,
Matthieu chapitre 5, le verset 21 à 22.
Matthew chapter 5 verse.
Totangi na kombo na Yesu.
We are reading the name
Boyoka
of
ndenge
Jesus
Yesu
Christ.
azoloba.
Listen the way Jesus Christ.
Ça ce n'est pas moi. Bible yebisi biso boye.
Matthew 9.
Landa kuna bazoki.